Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get started with Numeo mobile app. So we first find Numeo AI Dispatch. We download the application. We open the app, press get started. There are multiple ways you can sign in. Let me go ahead and do it with Google. Now we're in. Allow notifications. Now let me try to find a load. So we go into load board. We enter filters. For instance, I'm looking for Chicago to Denver for tomorrow, and I'm looking for a minimum rate of 3 RPM. Now I hit search results, and Numeo finds me all the loads that match my query. For instance, let's say I'm interested in this load in particular. I can see all the load information right here. Now what I can do is I can either call the broker myself, I can share the load with my broker by copying it, I can ask for information, and Numeo is going to send an info request email to the broker. Now I have a thread with the broker. What's great thing is that now what I can do is I can just press invite my dispatcher, enter my dispatcher's information, and then my dispatcher is going to be CC'd to this email thread, and they will be able to take over the communication with the broker themselves. So this is how I can bring my dispatcher to talk with the broker, or I can talk with the broker myself. Besides that, when I receive a response, all the emails that I get will be shown right here. So for instance, we already got the response from the broker and it's asking for information. You'll be able to just manage your conversations right here. Now, there is another feature that you can use right here, which is AI Hub. In AI Hub, what you can basically do is type your search query in any language you want. For instance, let me just go ahead and do it in English right here, right? I can just say Chicago to Dallas, minimum RPM must be, let's say, 3, and I am running a drive-in. So now we hit search. Agent is working. It's figuring out the best matches for your specific question. Now, as you can see, it found all the loads that match my query. I can, just like in the previous case, I can just send the information to the broker right here, and the email is sent to the broker. So whenever I get a response, they will appear right here in the with responses section and within the inbox as well. What I can also do is that, for instance, I can turn on an autonomous mode, in which case after I put my query, the AI agent itself is going to email brokers asking for information, and it's going to start negotiating instead of me. So I will be the only person who is going to confirm or approve whatever the negotiation leads to. So as you can see, the agent is filtering and matching the best loads that match my query. Here the agent is working, it's reaching out to the top brokers. Now I can see that some of the brokers have already responded here. I can go to emails. Here they are already asking questions, and I can just directly report them in the chat right here. As you can see, the agent is negotiating right here. So the broker gave us some sort of a quote, and as you can see, agent is asking a question. So it's giving us an option to counter with a higher offer, counter with lower offer, or walk away if it's too low. Now, for instance, I'm going to go ahead and counter with a higher offer and submit it. So the agent doesn't really take action for you. It always is going to make sure that you are the person who gets the final say whether the load's going to get booked or not. The agent just handles the busy work, such as writing the first info request email, doing the initial negotiations, and etc. And if you have any questions regarding the application, if you run into any issues, you can always go into our Telegram chat in our community, and you'd be able to answer all the questions you have right there. So in this community, you can send all your questions, and someone from our team will be happy to answer to you. Thank you.